Hello everybody, my name is Miriam Magnolia Vélez Preciado, talking about the ATEP Academy Plus exam. The proposed exam evaluates reading comprehension, listening, writing, speaking, and grammar. Kind of people can take the exam. It can be used by any university and high school students to know their level of English. The main goal of the exam to identify the competence of the person in English according to the Common European Framework of Reference for Language (CEFR), which gives an international standard to measure the level of comprehension and oral and written expression. The most significant characteristic of the exam evaluates student English ability for college and university admission purposes, place student in English language program, perform pre and post course assignment, qualify candidate for scholarship and exchange program status, evaluate language proficiency for placement. Skills are evaluated through the exam, and how are they evaluated? Grammar structure, 10 units, 2 parts, part 1, and 13 multiple choice questions. Identify the correct answer and more. For possible options and raise of questions for beginner to advanced. Part 2, 12 multiple choice questions, and the student must identify the word of the sentence and mouth for possible options, and range of questions from beginner to advanced. Listening, 20 minutes, part 1, and 4 short audios, and followed by a multiple choice question. The student must identify the correct answer and mouth for option. Part 2, 1 audio, 3 minutes, and followed by 4 multiple choice question. The person must identify the correct answer and move for option. Part 3, 1 conference cloud audio, 4 to 5 minutes, followed by 6 multiple choice questions. The person must identify the correct answer and more for possible ones. Reading, 26 minutes, 2 parts, part 1. Intermediate reading, approximately 250 words, followed by 4 multiple choice questions. Part 2, high intermediate reading, approximately 450 words, followed by 6 multiple choice questions. Reading, 25 minutes to part 1. The person must write a text of the maximum 100 words in 5 minutes. The text is in mail or letter type. Part 2, the person must write a text on the maximum 250 words in 20 minutes. The text is to read it is an opinion on a topic of the chosen a position between two. Speaking, 5 minutes to part 1, listen and read about a topic and talk about it. Part 2, listen about 2 different topics and express their opinion about the chosen topic. Score this exam in label A1, 1, 2, 1,5, A2, 2, 2,5, B1, 3, B2, 3,5 to 4, C1, 4,5 to 5, C2, 5,5 to 6. Good to take the exam in the future. Why? I would take it because I think that is very well for everyone present. Besides the score, you obtain immediately. On other hand, and they can prepare for your exam. Additionally, you have an diagnostic exam. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.